Hey guys, Paleo Nick here with the next episode in It's Not Gourmet, Bro. One of the best series on the site. We got slow cooker action. Today we're gonna be throwing down some oxtail. The only thing is I haven't seen any oxen around for pretty much my whole life. So where did these babies come from? Stay tuned, we'll discuss it, and we'll get our slow cooker rolling. All right guys, oxtail stew, it's kind of a classic French preparation. You know, there really aren't oxen around nowadays for kind of beef production, right? Or oxen production. So these are actually just beef tails, but they still label them oxtails. You guys follow that? All right. Anyways, we're gonna get into it. What I've got is 2 packs. I think this is about 6 pounds. I'm gonna start my slow cooker with a cup of garlic, and then I'm gonna season these guys with about 20 grams of kosher salt, like that, and some black pepper, about how much? A tablespoon or so. No, we'll get those in there. And then all around I've got, this here is turnips, 4 cups of turnips. And this is actually about 6 cups turnips and 2 cups of parsnips. Just dice those babies up. And then we've got some mirepoix. Gotta sneak down in here as well. Carrots, onions, celery, it'll all be in the recipe. Get a couple bay leaves down in there. And then about 2 cups of red wine. Just gonna dump this. And the goal here, this slow cooker is gonna take all the collagen, the connective tissue, kind of the bones and you know, all the crazy stuff going on in a cow's tail, and it's gonna break that down into gelatin. We're gonna get a nice kind of demi-gloss looking sauce to this once it chills. So what I'm gonna do, just throw the lid on this guy. We're going 7 hours on high, so all cooked down, be beautiful. And it's gonna taste great too. So check this move out. Boom. Whoa, hey guys, just joking. Not that, you know, I had an empty bottle, but. Anyways, this is what it's gonna look like, right? So we cooked that off, and then poured it in here. And what I wanted to show you was kind of that gelatin type structure. This is like actually the best Jello in the world. It's sugar-free. Red wine in there. Awesome. Okay. So next step, I'm just gonna take my containers here, divvy them out, lay them out, and then I'm gonna divvy this stuff up. And once it's all divvied, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, here we are with our oxtail stew all divvied up. We got 6 healthy portions. Put a little greenery on the top of each one just so that it doesn't look kind of barbaric, but it tastes really good, I promise you that. Oxtail stew, slow cooker style. It's not gourmet, it just tastes that way. And Paleo Nick is always here, doing what he can to help you guys keep it paleo.